19th August Mechanical Joint Stock Company is a leaf spring supplier and manufacturer, founded on June 6, 1979, and located in Minh Tri Commune, Soc Son District, Hanoi, Vietnam. Within 40 years of expansion and development, we have established a prominent presence in the automobile manufacturing, assembling, and repairing market, both domestically and internationally. Our experienced and enthusiastic team of managing directors, engineers, and factory workers are ready to serve and meet our customers' demands at all times. Our company's main products are leaf springs with multiple varieties, retaining 85% of market share in Vietnam and currently number 1 in the country. Our brand is famous for its top-notch quality and competitive prices, trusted by our customers and partners. Our products have been certified under DIN 2094, 2006-2009 standard, TCVN 2156-77 standard, and ISO 9001, 2008 certificate. Supported by the government's policy concerning automobile manufacturing industrialization to promote exports, our company has expanded our premises to 100,000 square meters, in which 20,000 square meters is used as factory land. Our premises also have a 2,000 square meter warehouse for raw materials in different sizes, all of which adhere to Grade SUP9, SUP10, SUP11A, and so on to fully meet our customers' requirements. Our materials are purchased from reputable suppliers in Vietnam, Japan, Korea, and China with a strict incoming inspection protocol. Our company is active in seeking and collaborating with universities and international partners to research and innovate our equipment to keep up with current technology, which in turn lowers our production costs and enables us to cater to the market's demands in a flexible manner. Our manufacturing procedure is constantly refined, detailed to even the simplest of stages. Production supervisors, engineers, and quality control inspectors are required to closely manage production, execute the designated procedure with care, and work alongside workers in all processes to ensure any unexpected problems be handled in a timely fashion. Quality control is especially focused on among the manufacturing stages to guarantee no defective products go to the customers. Our quality control process includes 3 stages: inspection by the workers, inspection by supervisors, and inspection by quality control inspectors. Finished products are then carefully packed and transported to our warehouse before being delivered to customers. With thousands of types of leaf springs, our company currently controls a nationwide network of franchises. In addition, we are the main supplier to Hyundai Motor Vietnam. With our strength in prices, quality, and lead times, we are also exporting to international markets, such as France, Germany, USA, Australia, and so on. 19th August Mechanical Joint Stock Company guarantee with confidence to provide our customers high-quality products with good consistency and flexible pricing as requested. We warmly welcome our esteemed customers and hope to best meet your demands to build trusted and long-term relationships together.